Hello, I'm going to demonstrate for you the magic square method of factoring. There are lots of great methods to factor. You might know decomposition or crisscross or all kinds of different things, and they're all great, but today I'm going to demonstrate this magic square method, which is my favorite. I like it because there are very few steps and just focuses on you actually being able to figure out the numbers in your head, which actually most of you guys are pretty good with, and you just get lost on the other steps of some of the other methods. So here's what we're going to do. Here's my quadratic. I want to factor it. So to help us just figure out what the coefficients are going to be, I'm going to rewrite just the coefficients. So the number in front of the x squared, number in front of the x, and just the number over here. 1 x squared, 6x, and 9. Now I can forget about the variables and anything over here that might be confusing me and just focus on figuring out this little numerical puzzle. What I need to do is get two numbers here that multiply to 1, two numbers here that multiply to 9, but the catch is they have to cross multiply and add to 6. So this number times this number plus this number times this number have to add to that middle number. Now this one is pretty basic. My leading coefficient is 1, so that makes this column easy. I know it. It's got to be 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So now I need two numbers here that multiply to 9, but they have to cross multiply and add to 6. So I need 1 times something plus 1 times something equals 6. So I could try 9 and 1. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 would be 10. So that doesn't work. So let's try 3 and 3. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Woohoo! I've now figured out all the numbers. So now I just have to translate these coefficients back over here to actually write this out in factored form that we want. So all I do is I read across the rows. So I get 1x plus 3. And reading across here, I get 1x plus 3. Now we're done. That's it. You just focus on the numbers in your magic square and then write it over here in factored form. Now, obviously, this was a simple one. I had all addition signs and I had no leading coefficient. But this method can be used no matter how complicated the quadratic gets because it's just focusing on these coefficients. And in future videos, I'm going to show you how to do this with more complicated problems, hopefully with less noise from my babies.